Forget gold and silver. There's a far more explosive story brewing in the world of platinum, a metal so rare it makes gold look common. Picture this. All the platinum ever mined would barely cover your ankles in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. In contrast, all the gold ever mined would fill 3 of those pools completely. But the real story isn't just its rarity, it's about a dangerous monopoly. Over 70% of the world's platinum supply comes from just one country, and its mines are in serious trouble. At the exact same time, a tidal wave of new demand from the green hydrogen revolution is about to crash onto the shore. The world became dangerously dependent on South Africa for about 70% of its platinum. For a long time, that worked. But now, that foundation is crumbling. The mines are getting deeper, making them more expensive and dangerous to operate. They've been starved of the investment needed to keep them running efficiently, let alone expand. Relentless cost pressures mean they simply can't increase production to meet demand. In fact, for 3 straight years, the world has used far more platinum than it has produced, creating massive deficits. We've been raiding the world's platinum savings account. The stockpiles that once acted as a safety net are quickly vanishing. The market is incredibly fragile and totally unprepared for what's coming next. So you might see some forecasts talking about a balanced market by 2026. Don't be fooled. That's the false calm before the storm. These predictions completely ignore the game-changing new consumer that's about to enter the room, the hydrogen economy. Platinum is the irreplaceable catalyst needed for green hydrogen electrolyzers and the fuel cells that will power our future. Put simply, there is no green revolution without it. As brand new hydrogen gigafactories come online, they will be competing for the same limited supply. A structurally broken supply chain is on a direct collision course with a massive new source of demand that is about to go vertical. What do you think happens when this new demand hits an already fragile market? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're getting value from this analysis, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives. So, what happens when everyone wakes up to this reality? The platinum market is tiny, a mere fraction of the size of the gold market. When serious investment capital starts to flow in, it won't be a splash. It will be a tsunami. Even a so-called balanced market won't be enough to rebuild the inventories that have been drained by years of deficits. There is no safety buffer left. Once investors realize the hydrogen story is real and there simply isn't enough metal to go around, a violent repricing isn't just possible. It becomes inevitable. The platinum story is a perfect storm. A dangerous supply monopoly, a failing infrastructure, and a revolutionary new demand that's just getting started. For now, it's still flying under the radar, but the fundamental pressures are undeniable. The time bomb is ticking, and this story is about to move from the business section to the front page headlines. Thanks for watching.